Hello everyone. Here we'll be discussing the master strategy for preparing for your finance current affairs. Now finance current affairs includes everything finance related news, RBI circulars, SEBI circulars and your reports, right? And this is the one thing, finance current affairs is the one thing that will be helping you in your general awareness in your phase 1. It will again help you in your paper 3 of your phase 2, FM, which is finance and management, right? So this will definitely give you a compounding effect. If you are having strong finance current affairs, it will definitely be a game changer for you in the upcoming RBI Grade B examination. So when I talk about finance current affairs, I am talking about RBI circular, I am talking about the finance related news, reports and the SEBI circulars. So how to cover finance current affairs, even if you haven't watched any of the finance current affair, how you can still cover the finance current affair in the remaining days. Or it can be a case like you guys are having a backlog or you are not so confident in finance current affairs. It might be a case like you are reading the finance current affairs for the past 6 months but you are not able to remember it. So in this particular video we'll be talking about each and every aspect. What will be my understanding, what's my strategy here will be, first you need to gain a very quick understanding of the previous year question paper, right? Like what kind of questions are coming from your finance part. So we have already posted the previous year question paper. What you can do is just try to watch these lectures on 1.5 or even more than 1.5x speed, right? जिसमें भी आप comfortable हो and gain a quick understanding of what things are coming in the finance current affairs. Once you are done with it, in case if you are having any kind of backlog or in case if you are not having adequate confidence, what I'll suggest you directly cover the finance current affair series with the compilation series. At every month, we are posting the compilation series of all the finance current affairs, right? You can cover all the FCA by using these compilation series. Why? Because they will be definitely a game changer for you. They will save your time. Ultimately, they will save your time. You can have a look that पूरे महीने के finance current affairs we have covered in just 1 hour, close to 1 hour, right? So definitely it will be very, very helpful for you for the upcoming examination. And this compilation series is in MCQ format, right? It's completely exam oriented MCQs which we'll be covering in these compilation series. So please do watch it. It will be very, very helpful. And what I can advise you guys is, let's suppose you are having a backlog of 3 months or 4 months or whatever maybe. Some students are just picking right now. No problem at all. Just try to do it quickly. Don't waste too much time on watching every video of every platform on a very detailed manner. Whatever kind of platform you are following, you can go ahead, but do watch their compilation series, right? Now don't waste your time for the backlog. At least for the backlog, don't waste your time on watching multiple videos on the same topic. What I'll advise you to revise each and everything or complete each and everything as soon as you can. So ये compilation series का सबसे better use क्या हो सकता है मैं आपको बताता हूँ. Let's suppose I want to cover August month compilation. I just need to watch a video of 1 hour. That's it. Those news that are very, very important, I'll be covering them in very, very detailed manner. And those that are average important, I'll just have a quick understanding of that from the compilation series itself, right? And try to complete at least one video in the next coming 6 days. So 6 days, 6 videos, 6 months finance current compilation completed, right? You can cover the finance current affairs in the next 6 days by watching these compilation, and I can say that majority of your part related to finance news is already covered in this. Some of the SEBI news is also covered in this. Some of the RBI circulars are also covered in these videos, right? So please try to watch it. Try to watch at least one video, or you can just download the PDF and have a quick reading of all the MCQs. Those that are important, you need to study them in detail, but those that are of moderate importance, you can get an overview as well, okay? And do remember, by understanding the previous year question, you will have an idea like what kind of things you need to read, right? They are mostly asking you conceptual questions. They are mostly asking you limit based questions. They are mostly asking you date related questions. So you can easily cover that. And in the same manner, we have covered all the questions in the finance current affairs series as well. Next is your RBI circulars. Now recently only I have released a video, a demo class related to RBI circular. You can watch that as well. That was related to August month part 1. Okay. And have a look. We are having all the RBI circulars covered in the RBI circular series. This is also a monthly compilation. You can cover the circulars from these videos as well, right? Just download the PDF. I already told what can be important for your examination, what is not important for your examination. Everything is there in these sessions. So again, you can easily cover the RBI circulars. Coming to the SEBI circulars, I don't know, most of the students are ignoring SEBI circulars. If you have a look at the 2024 examination of FM, your paper 3, you will come to know that majority of the times they have asked the SEBI circulars rather than RBI circulars. Definitely RBI circulars are important. SEBI circulars are also important, but not all the circulars. So that's why we have covered the main circulars that can be important, that can be very, very important for your examination in these series of SEBI circulars. So please do watch it. Okay, please do watch these videos. Plus I'll be bringing some more videos on the SEBI circulars in few days. Okay. Again, very, very important, and I have already covered what can be important for your examination, what is relevant, what is irrelevant, so you can have a quick understanding of the SEBI circulars as well. One request from my end is be quick, right? Don't waste too much time reading a particular news. Like आप एक न्यूज़ पे 5-5, 10-10 मिनट लगा रहे हो, no need of that. 1 घंटे 2 घंटे में ट्राई करो कि आप पूरी कंपाइलेशन कवर कर लो, right? Even if you are doing on your own, no problem at all. Just download the PDF and try to cover that PDF within 1 hour, right? So in this manner, in the next 6 to 10 days, you are able to cover each and everything in a very beautiful manner, in a very detailed manner. Coming to reports, you can watch this video related to important reports of Manat ma'am. You can watch the RBI annual report MCQ series as well. You can watch the key highlights as well. Everything is covered in these reports. Okay. Now coming to the report part, there are so many reports that we need to study on. All the videos related to these reports are already posted on Oliveboard's YouTube channel. You can definitely cover it in a quick manner, right? All the important related stuff is already covered in this series. So please do watch all the reports. Coming to the important topics, I have given important topics multiple times. Here I am clearly writing it, right? All the topics that are in limelight like green finance, ESG, BRSR, right? Social exchange, AI, blockchain related topics, accounting related topics, derivatives, inflation. These all are very, very important for your upcoming examination. Any news around these topics have a very high probability of coming in your examination. Coming to what we are going to do for you in terms of finance current affairs. So I have already scheduled previous year session related to finance. Plus I'm also starting a new series of top 500 MCQs for finance on every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, right? So on every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 3 p.m. my session will be there. I'll be covering 500 MCQs on finance, right? This is finance current affairs, and I'll also be taking close to 200 MCQs on SEBI and RBI circulars every Monday and Tuesday, but this will be later on. First I'll be taking finance MCQs 3 p.m. So definitely we'll be meeting on Monday 3 p.m. and we'll be covering total 500 MCQs, which will be very, very relevant for your examination. Okay, we'll try to cover close to 50 questions in every session, and that's how we'll be concluding the entire series here, right? So guys, don't waste too much time on reading each and every news in a very detailed manner. What you need to do is you just need to have a quick understanding of the previous year question paper. Once you came to know the mindset of the examiner, then you can cover all the finance current affairs, RBI circulars, SEBI circulars in an exam oriented manner. Why? Because otherwise you will be studying anything from the circular that might not be even relevant for you guys, right? We need to focus on the relevance as well, not just the coverage. Relevance is more important than the coverage as of now. Okay, all the resources are already there, and if you are looking for paid course, it is also there. Plus, would advise you guys to take this RBI test, 10 questions, and you will be getting a personalized report plus recommendations from Oliveboard. You can also give previous year question free of cost for the financial year 2024. Previous year question paper is already available for your RBI Grade B examination. You can definitely practice it in a exam oriented manner on Oliveboard's website. Okay guys, in case of any query related to finance current affairs, you can always reach out to me. Let's make this. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.